Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm glad to tell you that we are going to start a course in mathematics known as what? Number theory. It's very interesting. Although when I was in college, I don't understand this course. Though I don't fail it either, but I don't understand it. After my college days, I took my time, buy materials, and what? Google coupled with YouTube, and I understand the course better. And I'm glad today to start the course with you. As we are friends, let me gist you about number theory. The good thing about number theory is that it makes you work as a mathematician. There's no need of what? Calculator throughout what? This course. Although I'm going to teach you how to formulate your own questions, and you can use calculator to cross-check your what? Results. And also, I heard you, go on YouTube, Quora, Google, and other sources of materials like that to attempt a lot of questions that will make you better at it. Good. I will not be solving much questions in every class, but I will surely keep this lecture step by step, and I will make my information coincide. Before we go into the course content, I'd like to tell you my name. If you don't know before, I am Adejumo Tohib Akombi. I did mathematics physics at Adeniran Ogunsoya College of Education, but I'm a physicist. I studied physics. Okay, so with my mathematical background, it gives me a very solid foundation in physics, and with that little or basic foundation in mathematics, I can dive into any aspect of mathematics with time. Good. I intend taking real analysis before number theory, but I see that I think we need to understand what number theory very well so that we understand the properties of number before we now look into real analysis. Although I take a course on complex analysis, I'm yet to finish the course. When I'm done with that also, we make life together on it. Thank you for choosing this channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do now. If you are a subscriber, kindly watch this video till end. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your sagacity and your support. Good. Introduction to number theory. When we talk about introducing ourselves to number theory, what is number theory? Okay, number theory itself is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of integers. So when I say integers, integers is more or less like the entire number itself, because when we talk about real numbers, we have the counting numbers that we refer to as natural numbers. We have the whole numbers, we have integers, and we have rational and irrational numbers. Okay, so number theory specifically deals with the study of integers, and that's why in this video you will not see me proving anything like reason why the square root of 2 is irrational number, why root 3 is irrational number, why pi is irrational, why exponential is irrational. I will not be talking about anything of that. I will not be telling you that within one real number and the other one there exists an irrational and irrational number. I won't be talking anything about that, and that's absolutely what real analysis, and I will not be talking anything about that in this video. So subsequently, if we are starting this course, we are going to be making subsequent classes on this particular course, number theory. I believe you will love it after today. I adopt a method from Po-Shen Lu. It's my favorite mathematician, and it has really helped me in his life challenge class. So in that class, I developed interest in number theory because the manner in which he took the class. And we need more of mathematicians like that. And I also developed interest in mathematics more just because of my lecturer, Mr. Kalijo Ujo. It's very sound mathematician. And a friend of mine, Arikoyo Omoji, is a very nice guy to me, and it has been a source of resources for me in mathematics. Okay, let's go into the main business. Introduction to number theory. In this course, my references is going to be Google. It's going to be YouTube and a master's book, Introduction to Number Theory by Richard Michael Hill, and Number Theory by George E. Andrews. Those are the four sources that I'll be using. The two number theory textbook, Introduction to Number Theory by Richard Michael Hill, and Number Theory by George E. Andrews. I'll be using those two material, Google and YouTube. And specifically YouTube pages that I'll be using includes Michael Penn, Cyber Mathematics, and Push and Loop, that is Daily Life Challenge. Those are the three pages I would like to use, and there's other page also, but I could not remember now, making 4 pages that I'll be using, and I would like you guys to follow it up. You can subscribe to those channels, they will definitely help you. Thank you. So the contents we have to cover is the concept of real numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, and perfect square, Pythagorean triples, divisibility, prime numbers, GCD, Euclidean algorithm, LCM, relationship between GCD and LCM, total numbers of factors, units, digits, remainder theorems, trailing zeros, counting multiples, mathematical induction, Diophantine equations, and modular arithmetic. Are we together? So specifically, if you really want to have enough problem on Diophantine equation, I would advise you to subscribe to what CyberMath. He has a lot of questions on Diophantine equation. Okay, and it's even one of the reasons why I include it in this content. Although I supposed to include Bell's equation also, but I will do that as we move on. Is that taken out? So this will be the contents that we're going to be looking into on that number theory. Stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Thank you guys.